Looking for the best flowering vines to add a touch of beauty to your vertical garden? This video is your guide to the world of vertical gardening, a space-saving method that's not only practical, but also aesthetically pleasing. We'll explore the top 5 flowering vines perfect for this gardening style. So, without further ado, let's dive into the world of blossoming vines. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have the Clematis. This vine is a showstopper, with vibrant flowers and a love for sunny spots. Its ability to climb makes it perfect for vertical gardening. With its stunning flowers and climbing habit, Clematis is a sure way to elevate the aesthetics of your garden. Coming in at number 4 on our list, the Morning Glory vine. This vibrant climber grows rapidly, effortlessly adding a dash of color to any vertical garden. Its radiant blooms, greeting you every morning, make it a charming choice. Morning Glory definitely deserves a spot in your vertical garden. At number 3, we have the fragrant jasmine vine. Adorned with elegant blossoms, jasmine fills the air with a sweet, intoxicating scent. Its preference for sunny spots and ability to climb make it a must-have for vertical gardens. Jasmine, with its intoxicating scent and elegant flowers, is a true gem for any vertical garden. Securing the second spot on our list, the majestic Wisteria vine. Known for its stunning hanging blooms, the Wisteria's rapid growth habits make it an excellent contender for vertical gardening. Wisteria, with its waterfall of flowers, will certainly turn your vertical garden into a spectacle. And finally, at the top of our list, the exotic passionflower vine. Its unique, striking blooms are a sight to behold. Thriving best in sunny, well-drained conditions, it's the #1 choice for vertical gardening. Passionflower, with its unique and stunning flowers, is our top pick for a vertical garden. And there you have it, the top 5 flowering vines for your vertical garden. The Clematis, Morning Glory, Jasmine, Wisteria, and the Passionflower. Each one is an excellent choice, adding beauty and charm. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!